In today's video, we're going to explain how to fix a problem that most users face, which is an issue with Microsoft Office. Many of you have messaged me saying that while installing Microsoft Office, whether it's the 32-bit or 64-bit version, this message appears. Encountered an error during Setup Office. This means that the installation of Microsoft Office has failed on your device. We're going to show you two methods to solve this problem permanently. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Method 1. Go to This PC, or My Computer. Then select your Windows drive, which is usually the C drive. After that, a list of folders will open. The folder we're looking for is Program Data. Sometimes this folder is hidden. If you don't see it, you can make it visible by going to View. Then check the option Hidden Items. Now the Program Data folder will appear. Open the folder. You'll see a list of files. Right-click on the Microsoft Help folder, then choose Rename. Add a dot, then type Old. Make sure the O is capital, like this, .old. Then press Enter. Now go back to the installation setup of the program and try installing Microsoft Office again. You'll most likely find that the problem is fixed. If the issue still continues, try the second method. Method 2. Go to the Start menu search. Then search for Task Scheduler. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. It will open like this. Then go to Task Scheduler Library, expand it, then select Microsoft. After that, locate the Office folder. Right-click on the Office folder and choose Delete Folder. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure. Click Yes. Then restart your computer. After restarting, try installing Windows or Office again. And that's it. We've explained how to fix the error Encountered an error during Setup Office that appears during Microsoft Office installation. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new content.